Operating your PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro is very easy and can give you outdoor grilling results indoors. First, slide out the water tray collection drawer. Add about 1.5 cups of water and slide it back in. To turn the unit on, make sure the detachable power cord is plugged into both the unit and an electrical wall outlet. Always make sure your unit is on a flat surface. Then, on the control panel, touch the button marked Fan to turn on the fan, and touch the Power button to turn on the power. Use the up or down arrows to toggle the heat settings up or down. That's it. Now you are ready to add your favorite grilled food and start grilling indoors. When you are done, simply touch the Fan button to turn off the fan, and touch the Power button to turn off the heating element. Slide out and empty the water pan collection drawer. Add fresh water and slide it back in. Isn't that easy? Now you're ready to grill indoors with your PowerXL Smokeless Grill Pro.